Hi everyone, today now we are going to learn about how to walk a sprite in the Scratch program. So for that, first I'm taking a new backdrop. Here down we have a choose a backdrop option. From that, now if you click on that, you will get so many backdrops. Now here I'm selecting blue sky backdrop. To walk a sprite, I'm taking now walking sprite. Here click on choose a sprite option. We can see multiple type of sprites. From here I'm selecting a walking sprite. Here I'm taking Pico walking. Now remove this inbuilt sprite which is called cat. Now we can fix the sprite position every time to move the sprite from same position. So for that, go to motion block and go to X and Y position. Bring to script area. To run the program every time, we no need to click on the code. We have to fix code called when flag is clicked. This flag is clicked code is present in events block. Now to move our Pico, we have to go to motion block and select move 10 steps code. Instead of 10 steps, here we can select number of steps. Here now I'm choosing 100 steps. To repeat these steps continuously, go to control block and select forever, so that our Pico will move 100 steps forever continuously. After when we will stop the program, then only that stop working. Okay, now every time I want to change the costume of the Pico so that it looks like a walking, and to observe the change, we have to select wait a second option. So here I'm selecting wait for 0.1 second. Okay, whenever we clicking the green flag, this object will move, but it is striking at corners. So to come back, we have to keep two more blocks which are present in motion block. The term if on edge bounce, set rotation style, so that it will come backside and it will move properly. Once we'll check, click on the green flag. Here you can see that one Pico is walking properly. Okay, like this we can create a small code for walking a sprite using Scratch program. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Keep watching my channel.